Hi everyone, this is Enchantress and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create the face painting item that ZEPETO recently released or added as a new category for 3D items. The face painting is the same as makeup items and I'm really glad that ZEPETO decided to add this category and provide a guide on how we can create makeup items because I experienced creating the FBX for makeup items using blend shape and it's not really that easy. I'm glad that they created this guide. I'm gonna show you how it's done. This is really easy, guys. As you can see on my screen, I'm on the 3D face painting guide already. So you can access guide when you go to your ZEPETO Studio account. You can just control and then click this one so you can access the 3D guides. And then you can, under the 3D guide, you have to go to face painting. And then here you can see the texture guide that you are going to use when you create your makeup item, as well as the instruction or the steps and how you can create it. So if you already see this, it's actually really easy to create it, and I'm so excited when I saw this. So let's get started. You can start by downloading the texture guide, which is this one. So this is a PSD file. You will need to have Photoshop when you open it. However, if you do not have access to Photoshop, you can always search PSD to PNG converter on your browser and you can just select any of this site, but I usually use this one. So you have to download this. I won't download it anymore since I already have it on my computer. So this one, and you can just convert it using this website. So you can open this, make sure that this is set to PNG, and then you can just convert it and you can use that. You can use PixArt or Ibis Paint or Procreate if you prefer to draw the makeup item using your mobile phone. I don't really have any drawing tablet, so I just have my mouse pad and it's really a challenge for me to draw something using Photoshop on my computer. So I personally prefer to draw the makeup items. I use Ibis Paint to create my makeup items. And then once you downloaded that, you can go to getting started, and you will also need to download the updated Unity project files folder. This is the version 3.1.13.2. You will not be able to create face painting items using the older one, so you need to download this one. I already have a tutorial on how you can download the Unity project files folder and set it up using Unity editor, so I suggest you watch it. So you just need to download that. So let me show you, just like a refresher. Once it's downloaded, make sure that you extract all. If you do not have the extract all option, you will need to download this file, WinZip26. So just search for it on Google, so you will have that option. Then let's just wait for it to be extracted. And once it's extracted, you have to click this folder, and we will be using this one. So you can just drag it to the file path where you need to save this one. Because if you open it using this one, the main folder, it may have some like error message, and we're trying to avoid that. We're trying to avoid that. So I'll just delete that, and we're gonna use this one. We will use that later, but let me show you how to open it. So this is just a refresher again. Make sure that you watch my ZEPETO class tutorial. That's the very first video that I created. So you will be guided on how to set up Unity if it's your first time doing so. And then you can just open the file that we just downloaded. Just select this one and then click open, but I'm not going to do that anymore since I already have it opened here. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how you can design your face painting item. However, I'm not gonna show you like the entire process. I'll just show you how it's done, like a snippet on how you can do it. If you have Photoshop, you can just open Photoshop, of course, and then you can just open the file or the guide that we downloaded. This one, and just wait for it. So there, make sure that you unlock it. It's currently locked, so you won't be able to use it. So yeah, and then you can create a new layer. You can edit it or like design it. So new layer there, and then you can just, you know, like draw on it, and not really well versed in Photoshop because I rarely use it, but yeah, you can like design it. The black parts here, this is the one that will be inside the eye area, so it will not be seen, so you have to draw outside the darkened area here to draw your eyeliner, something like that. And that's how you design it. And then once you finish it, for example, let's say I finished designing my face, my makeup item, you can just go ahead and export it as PNG. Or oh, sorry, let me do the other option. Make sure that you selected the layer that you designed, and I don't know, close. Make sure that the transparency is checked, and make sure that you save it as 512 by 512. ZEPETO will reject your item if you set it to different size. And then once you set that up, you can just export it. Oh, sorry. Make sure that this is not included. So you just need to export this one. I forgot to mention that. I'm sorry. But yeah, make sure that only the layer 1, yeah, that like that. So it will be a transparent PNG file, right? So again, 512 by 512, and export it. So this is just a sample. Will not be the one that I will use to show you because I already created one using Ibis Paint, this one. So it should look like this. It's a transparent PNG file. Let me just delete that. I don't need that anymore. And now we go to Unity so we can do the conversion. So it's actually very easy to convert face painting items in Unity. Once you already have your design, it will be as easy as 1, 2, 3. This is the new Unity project files folder. I just imported all my previous files into it, and then let me import the makeup item that I created. And once you imported that here, make sure that you click it and uncheck the generate map, and make sure that you click override and put it to 512, and then click apply. All the other settings you don't have to change those, only the generate map and the override, the max size. Once you do that, you can go to loader to see it, and you can drag and drop it here in this box. Make sure that the face painting category is checked for you to check it or for you to see it, and you can click on play so you can see it. So I am using my own avatar to view it. You have to put your ZEPETO code here in this box so you can see it on your own avatar. And although you can see it or you can view it here under the scene in ZEPETO guide, let's go back here. It will be so much easier if you view it under the game tab. So here you can adjust this. Let's say 35, and then here 2.45. Maybe I'll adjust it there. So you can see your face painting item. It's already applied to your avatar. If you would like to see it with different avatar, you can just put it here, but let's try it on the default one. So again, adjust the position here, 0.28. 2.45. Maybe I'll adjust this further. There. So you will be able to see your face painting item if it will suit different face shapes. And once you're finished with that and you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can just right click on the PNG file that you created and then go to ZEPETO Studio and then export as ZEPETO file. You don't have to click anything here, just keep it at none and then go to convert and there. So basically you can convert even if the play button is turned on. So this is the ZEPETO file that we got with that face painting item. So you can just submit it to ZEPETO Studio. Make sure that you are submitting it in this new category. If you submit it in any other category here, of course it will be rejected. So you can just drag and drop the ZEPETO file here and there. You can finally submit it. Make sure that you fill out this information and the price, the minimum price for face painting item is 5 cents. So you cannot go lower than that. And then once you're okay with this, you can just click submit. And there you go. That's how easy it is to create makeup items now. I'm really grateful to ZEPETO team that they did this. I have a lot of makeup items that I would like to design and submit and wear with my own avatar. So thank you so much ZEPETO for doing this. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope that you learned something from this tutorial and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye for now.